California is just one of those places that captures your imagination. There's this natural beauty and flair that's really hard to put into words. It's that golden light that you can't find anywhere else. It's the open air right next to all those buildings just crammed on top of each other. It's the single surfer out on the open water waiting for that perfect swell. If just to feel fully alive for even a few fleeting seconds. It's this beautiful canvas for nature to run wild. It's embodiment of both perfect stillness and total chaos.